तो आपका जो सिनेरियो 1 है उसमें आप देख सकते हो 3-0, 4-0, 4-1, 5-0. These will be unprecedented, by the way, for an Indian team to go to Australia and smash them like that. और फर्स्ट टेस्ट के बाद मैं जरूर कहूंगा कि मेरी होप थोड़ी सी तो बढ़ गई हैं. But even then, to have that unprecedented, that score line, if we don't need to depend on anyone. Scenario 2, 3-1, we'll qualify with 3-1 unless South Africa defeats Sri Lanka at home in second test, which means South Africa wins 2-0. Scenario 3, 3-2 will be good enough. लेकिन श्रीलंका को सेकंड टेस्ट मैच जो है, श्रीलंका को ऑस्ट्रेलिया जो घर पे खेलेंगे वो वहां पे एटलीस्ट उन्हें एक ड्रॉ चाहिए. एंड सिनेरियो 3 वुड बी 2-2 where South Africa must beat Sri Lanka 2-0, but then Sri Lanka must beat Australia minimum 1-0. So, gentlemen, your thoughts on this? Let's start with Dwapayan, Gigi, and then Nitin. क्या लग रहा है? Are you guys also feeling hopeful? What scenario do you think is the most possible here? Which is the most likely here? Dwapayan.
I think the 2-2 scenario is the most probable scenario if Australia play somewhere close to their best. If they find their batting mojo, then I think the 2-2 scenario becomes the most probable scenario given the series is going. And then SA will beat Sri Lanka 2-0. Should beat at least unless there is a rain etc. South Africa have found form and they are playing well. And then Sri Lanka win the series against Australia 1-0. They are playing both the test matches in Galle.
Both test matches in Galle, yes.
So that is very much a possibility. So
yes,
I have a sneaky feeling that it could be India versus South Africa again, a replay of the T20 World Cup final. So let's see.
Yeah, Gigi, what are your thoughts? Because let's be honest, अभी 1-0 तो हम ऊपर हैं, and the comments that are coming out of the Australian camp are similar to the comments that India made when they lost against New Zealand in Bangalore. ठीक है, एक टेस्ट मैच ही तो हारे हैं. Well, the turnaround did not come for India. Will the turnaround come for Australia? Because if the turnaround comes for Australia, then there are still a lot of scenarios, where India, if it goes down in the series, तब क्या होगा, तब क्या नहीं होगा, because you really need to win this series to have any chance of qualifying. Losing this series is not going to work for India. So, what are your thoughts on this?
I think Australia के लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होती जा रही चीजें, especially Josh Hazlewood का नहीं होना. I mean, I think in the last pink ball test, Nitin has a sharper memory than me. He'll remember. I think he took 5 for 8 or something in that 13th all out. And we found him impossible to play because he would move the ball just around and place it at the right spot. He's a very tough bowler to deal with. So उनका नहीं खेलना मुझे लगता है सारे भारतीय बल्लेबाज जो है वो आज पक्का कहीं ना कहीं मंदिर गए होंगे और उन्होंने बोला होगा भगवान को थैंक यू वेरी मच गॉड, इस मैच के एक मैच के लिए अगर आपने जो जॉश हेजलवुड हम नहीं खेलने हैं तो बहुत बढ़िया हो गया ये हमारे लिए. बट स्कॉट बोलेंट भी बहुत डेंजरस है, उनको कम नहीं आंका जा सकता. मैंने देखा है उनको एशेज वगैरह में, मतलब वो जिस तरीके से बॉलिंग करके और मैच घुमा देते हैं कई बार. He can be surprisingly, sort of deceptive bowler है वो थोड़े से. So we have to be a bit careful. But yeah, I mean that is a serious blow to the Aussies. But then their problems stem more from their batting. The way their batting has sort of completely disappointed. I mean Labuschagne I think needs to clearly change his approach. बहुत ज्यादा घर से सोच के आया था कि मैं सिर्फ डिफेंड ब्लॉक करूंगा फर्स्ट इनिंग में. इवेंचुअली एक बॉल आई, उनका विकेट ले गई. So that is not how the Aussies traditionally play. They're supposed to be free flowing. They play positive cricket. They play at a run rate of 4-5 per over. So वो थोड़ा सा उनको, and I want them to come along here because this series was built so highly, not for the Aussies to bat like this. They were all over the place. फिर वो मजा नहीं आएगा. I mean Bumrah is going to toy with them, तो let's see and I think मुझे भी जैसे द्वैपायन कह रहा हूँ इंडिया साउथ अफ्रीका आज मैं सोच रहा था इस बारे में. Somebody forwarded this thing to me and I think we need to win couple of test matches. तो 2 टेस्ट मैच एक तो हो ही गया है, एक और हो जाए तो I think the third scenario, the last scenario, or perhaps the scenario number 3 looks a real possibility.
I still don't buy this going to be, unless and until there's a test match जहाँ पे 3 दिन आपके wash out हो रहे हैं, I still don't buy that there is going to be a draw. आज की डेट में draw इतना नहीं होता है unless weather is intervening really. हमने Nitin, we don't see those test matches where you need 50 runs and you have 2 wickets and you need to survive the last hour of play. अब वो test matches नहीं दिखाई देते हैं. It's whether you want to call it कि it's a regression of the modern day batting or it's a demand of modern day batting कि आपका game change हो चुका है. We don't see those test matches.